Welcome to this tutorial on how to easily put on your caps and gowns. To begin, wear your gown as usual, ensuring it fits your frame. Slowly zip it up entirely, being mindful not to trap the interior lining. Next, take the BU Executive Academy ribbon and unfold it. This loop will act as an anchor to prevent the ribbon from sliding off. Wear the ribbon like a scarf and request assistance from a friend to loop the garter onto the button. Then, take your cap, ensuring that the part with the garter is positioned at the back of your head, and wear it normally. Keep the tassel on your left side, and you're all set! Congratulations on your graduation, and have a fantastic ceremony!